In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a phone number on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're trying to reach a colleague, a team member, or just need to quickly find someone's contact details, knowing where to look can make a world of difference. Let's break it down and make this process simple and straightforward. First, you're going to want to head over to Microsoft Teams. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access the platform. Once you're in, you might see various tabs like Teams, Calendar, and Chat on the left panel. But for this task, you'll primarily be working on the Chat or Contacts section. So what's next? It's time to locate the person whose phone number you wish to find. On the Teams main page, navigate to the list of contacts or recent chats. Here, you're going to click on the profile picture of the contact whose details you need. Clicking on the profile picture is an important step because it opens up a panel that provides more detailed information about the contact. Now that the panel is visible, you can see all sorts of important information. This often includes their job title, email address, and various other contact details. From here, you'll want to look for an option that says Contact Information or similar. Clicking on this will expand the details available for that person. Next, you'll want to click on Contact within this pane. This is where the phone number, if shared, will be displayed. However, do keep in mind that the visibility of phone numbers on Microsoft Teams depends on what information the individual has chosen to share. Sometimes, people might choose not to display their phone numbers for privacy reasons. So, once you click on Contact, if the person has chosen to make their phone number visible, you will see it listed there. This feature can be incredibly helpful for when you need to reach out quickly, especially if email or chat messages aren't getting through fast enough. But remember, not everyone opts to display their phone number on Teams, so don't be dismayed if you don't find it. You can always try other means of contact provided on their profile, such as sending them a message through the Teams chat. And with that, you now know how to find a phone number on Microsoft Teams. This can save you a lot of time and streamline your communication process. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting on Teams.